Say hello, Team Momster. Woo-woo! We have Colt and Luke and one of our drivers, Kelsey. We have Josie, another driver, Mom. Dad is somewhere. Oh, and little Cambry. Cambry, say hello.
Hey, hey, baby. Hey, Cam. Smile at the camera. Hi.
Hello, Sarah. All right. Well, Dad is somewhere. He is pulling in the green truck today. Here we are, and this is Kelsey's excursion. She's gonna pull in the white one, and Mom is pulling in the gray one, the Momster, with the decal sticker. So this is home base. We're gonna go see if we can watch some of these gas trucks before we pull with Team Momster. Okay, here's Dad. You ready to go, Dad? We're waiting for the honk.
In Summers, the green truck, Tremonton, Utah, 2002 Ford. In Summers,
over there, the green
truck, Tremonton, Utah.
I better take the lead.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2001 Ford Excursion, 7.3 power stroke automatic. This is her first full lobster experience on jumping around, sponsored by Luke Summer Food Center Farms, the Cal Corn Food, and the Paddle Stroke Rock. So here we go, Kelsey Summers, 232.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo! Catching up with Kelsey right there at about 234 and 8, 244 and 8. The third of the Summers family to run for you here tonight. All of them running the 7.3 power stroke. They got Monster on there and a license plate.
You got a smile inside, let it shine
Here we go, Joni Summers, Monster, Factory Utah, full excursion. Looking at a mark of 280 feet even.
Alright, just stay right on this side.
280 feet.
Let's go, Mom!
Here come to the announcer's booth, please. Katie Nybar to the announcer's booth. Katie. Okay. Monster comes up with 238 and 4, 238 and 4 for the Monster. 238 and 4.
The time is running short. There's nothing